yourself one by one.
Good morning, sirs. I am Michelle Angela Star, 21 years of age, from Cordero.
Good morning, everyone. I am Midship Woman Anne Christine Bucasas, 21 years old. I am from Antique, Bugasang Antique.
Good morning, sirs. My name is Jane C. Valencia, and I'm already 24 years old, and I'm from Paqueda, Manila.
Good morning, everyone. I am Jenica Marita Cadaw from Pajaman, I'm 17 years old.
Hi, sir. Good morning. I am Major Coman Fabian Anatansas from Malimujani, Luis.
Good morning, sirs. I am Corda Angel Marie C., 22 years of age. I'm from Villa, Arevalo.
Good morning, everyone. I am Midship Woman Onatoy Joy H., 21 years old from Dumaraw, Capiz.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Alita May, territorial of 21 years old from Cabanima.
Hindi ka pa lumilipat?